Blessed morning, everyone. Another day, another verse of the day. Wait a minute, guys. Give me 1 minute to share the word of God. Be generous to every living soul, and be gracious to the memory of the dead. Show sympathy to those who have lost a loved one, and mourn with them. Do not hesitate to visit the sick. You will be loved for things like this. Sirach chapter 7, verse 33 to 35. So ayan, that's all for today. So sana po yung ating verse for today, makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. And ayan po, kung nakaabot po kayo hanggang dulo ng ating video, huwag pong kalimutan mag-follow and subscribe sa ating mga social media platform, mag-like and mag-comment down below kayo kung taga saan kayo, para naman malaman natin kung saan naaabot itong video na to. That's all for today. Ingat po tayong lahat and huwag pong kalimutan magdasal. See you again sa ating mga susunod na video. God bless us all. Bye!